What I'm about to teach you in today's video, if it doesn't get you your 4,000 watch hours, then know that you did not follow it step by step, because I'm about to be very, very practical. Now, this strategy that I'm about to show you is one thing that helped me on my new channel to easily get my 4,000 watch hours in just 2 weeks. Trust me, this is definitely going to work for you, and I'm going to try as much as possible to be very brief so you get value in a very short time. If this is your first time here, hi and welcome. I'm Glory C, and on this channel I help both small and new content creators to grow their channels organically. I tell you mistakes to avoid and strategies you want to imbibe so you can get monetized fast. Now, if this sounds like something you want for your own channel, I will encourage you to go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to give us a big thumbs up on this one. Before I get into my phone screen, the very first thing I want you to understand is you cannot be focused on different things on your channel and expect your audience to identify with you. It is not possible. Trust me, I've been there, and I'm going to share with you how you want to focus on, or how you want to know what to focus on. Now, look at it this way: you go to the market, you want to buy clothing materials. Now, there is shop A, there is shop B. Now, in shop A, you know that these people, they sell bottles, they sell clothing, they sell shoes, they sell this, they sell that, and this shop B, they sell just clothes. Tell me, if you want to go buy, who do you think your mind would want to go to first? It is shop B, store B, because you know that this is their area of specialization. So it's very easy for you to exactly get that thing that you are looking for. So you know that YouTube is a long-term thing. We're not just doing it for now, we're doing it for the future. So the first thing is, have a particular thing that you want your audience to know you for. Number one, ask yourself, what is something that I really love, even if I'm not 100% in that particular thing? I know that this thing, I just love it. Personally, I love to teach. You love to do makeup. You love fashion. You love to interview people. You love health. You love to teach people about their health. You love exercises. You love to cook. Now, before you go into the next thing I'm going to show you to do on your phone screen, the next thing is, ask yourself, this thing that I want to go into, aside YouTube's AdSense payments, am I going to get money from it if I decide to, venture into the business side of that particular thing? Are you going to be able to, sell your service? Are you going to be able to create digital products from it and sell? Is there a future where you can work with brands? Do you understand? So that's one thing you need to clear. Ask yourself, what is one thing I am struggling with and I really, really want to break out of this particular thing? Like for example, my second channel that I told you I started and started doing so well in. That particular channel, AI thing has always been, and I told myself that I really want to know this AI thing. Like, I've always loved anything tech. So when this AI thing started becoming very viral and just trending, I told myself that, Glory, I really love it. So in order for me to put my head into it and really learn it, I had to use something that I know has always worked, and that's to teach. So if I'm to teach people the AI thing, then I have to learn it, and I started to do it on my second channel, and that channel started to pick up. So that's another thing you can decide to go into. What's something you are struggling with, but you know that you have a desire to learn that thing? Another thing is, what's something that you know that people can always walk up to you to ask for, maybe one piece of advice or the other. If you know that people always come to you on that particular thing and they leave feeling satisfied, having a sense of fulfillment, then you know that you have a place in that line. Ah, Glory, see, you're so good with tying scarves and all of that. You have a place in that line. Oh, you're so good with your dress sense. You have a place in that line. The next thing is very, very key. You can only get your 4,000 watch hours when you get people to watch. So let me tell you how you can actually get the right people to watch. Okay, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using a faceless AI YouTube channel. That, let's assume I want to go into tutorials. So you're going to align this with your own niche, whatever it is that you want to go into. Just put it here and then search. Now, once I search, you would see the first couple of videos that are going to come out. Trust me, those videos are optimized videos. So those videos popped up for a reason. Do you understand? So what you want to do is, oh, very good. The first one I can see is a success Amarachi video. Okay, how I built a $6,000 per month faceless YouTube channel. I know that this is actually good. All right, now take note of two things. The first one, or three things. The first one, you want to take note of when they uploaded that particular video. For example, this one was uploaded 2 months ago. Then you want to take note of how many views. How many views here? 64,000 views. The third one, you want to take note of how relatable these people are to you. For example, this person is a Nigerian. I know that easily I can flow with a Nigerian content creator. I can easily understand the person's teachings. So just your own might be you flow with an American content creator's teachings. I'm just going to go ahead and take a screenshot of that. All right. Now, when you're taking a screenshot, ensure that the screenshot you're taking is going to also capture their thumbnail. There's a reason for that. Now, the next one is what? Disney Studio. 29,000 views 2 months ago. Let's still check. Disney Studio again, 51,000 views 3 weeks ago. Okay, so let me just go ahead and take a screenshot also. This one is what? By Odetta Rockhead. 127k views in 7 months. Okay, I can also decide to take a screenshot of that, but let's just continue. Let's just move. Faceless, 105k views in 2 weeks. I'm definitely going to take a screenshot of this one. Oh, this one even featured my own video on my channel. Okay, so I'm going to take a screenshot anyway. And once you're done taking screenshots, you're going to now go over into your phone and do exactly what I'm going to show you before I come back to share with you something that you do not want to miss, because at the end of the day, if you miss that, you're still not going to get your viral video. Okay, so you want to go ahead towards ChatGPT. You want to go over towards ChatGPT. I already have the application. Now, the good thing about ChatGPT is you can easily use the voice note feature there to explain yourself. Like, you could talk for as long as 6 minutes. Trust me, I've done that before. I spoke for as long as 6 minutes because I really wanted it to understand what prompt I was trying to give it. Now, listen to this. Hi, ChatGPT. I'm looking to start a Faceless YouTube channel where I'm going to be coaching people on how to create faceless channels depending on their own niche. Now, I decided to make my research on YouTube. I went ahead to search for how to create faceless YouTube channels just so that I can get a very good guide on how to start my own channel. And note that I want to easily go viral. I want to easily put out videos that would get views, most especially my first 10 videos. I want to get a viral video amongst those first 10 videos. Now, I took screenshots of content creators who are doing so well in the niche I intend going into. I'm going to send you the screenshots. Please and please, I want you to use this information to give me the 10 best video ideas, or just direct me on what made this particular videos to do so well on their own channel. All right. Make this as simple as possible and as brief as possible. Thank you.
Then you go ahead, tap on the plus sign, tap on photos. It's going to redirect you to your gallery where you have to now pick all the screenshots that you already took.
After this, I'm now going to tell you the last thing you want to do. So you can see from your screenshots, this is what all of them have in common. The same 5 viral levers. Money first hooks. Can you see? They don't say how to create a faceless channel. They say 6,000 per month faceless channel, 600 a day faceless channel, monetize in 2 months, 12k revenue. Shorts. Why is my fan not blowing? Hold on, please. Okay, so this one shows revenue screenshots, subscriber counts, arrows, circles, green numbers, copy paste, monetize, hidden AI. Can you see hidden AI secrets, copy me psychology? It has given me everything that made their thumbnails and their titles do so well. If you scroll down, you are still going to see. So it now went ahead to tell me the 10 best video ideas for my first 10 uploads. Can you see? Can you see? So what I'm going to now do is to just study the 10 video ideas. What I want to now do is to pick one of these titles. Do you understand? Pick one, then look at the title and go back to those people that you already copied. You've taken down their names. You already know those content creators. Pick like just 5 or 10 that you are going to stick to. There's no need to stick to too many people so you do not get confused by different strategies. Stick to just those 10 people that are doing so well. And one reason I said you want to look for videos that are performing so well is you want to ensure that that particular niche pulls a lot of traffic. If you find out that your own niche, the best videos you are seeing, they're like 2,000 views, you don't want to bother with that particular one. So go for niches that you know that they are already in high demand. That's something about market analysis. Once you now pick a particular title, now go back to those particular content creators and the particular video that they already created with that type of title. You want to now watch the video. Now, when you're watching the video, you're looking out for different things. Number one, looking out for how they started the video, looking out for how they continued, because there's something known as hooks, open loops. Those are things that enable people to stay, and that's what forms your audience retention. You want to now look at their thumbnail. You see, thumbnail is actually very important, because if people do not click on your thumbnail, it doesn't matter the effort you already put into creating or producing your video, they are not going to watch. If you're using a very bright text for your thumbnail, definitely the background should be dark. If you're using a very bright background, definitely your text should be dark. You don't want your thumbnail to be crowded. Those are the things that would easily help you. Look at the type of text they use on their thumbnail, how captivating those texts are. Trust me, if you can apply all of these ones into your first 10 videos, I promise you, those videos you would see at least one viral video. And trust me, when you get one viral video, it encourages you to, do more, because it just builds a certain type of confidence inside of you. Last thing is, because ChatGPT already understands you based on the prompt you already gave it, you just want to go ahead and tell ChatGPT that, okay, now ChatGPT, based on this particular video, you already understand what my channel is about. You already understand my goal for my next 10 videos. Give me a well optimized description for this particular video. Once ChatGPT gives it to you, use it. Use it for that particular video, and trust me, you are going to definitely see changes. I promise you, you will see changes. You don't want to miss this particular video, because I taught you a lot of vital information that will help you as a going content creator here on YouTube. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.